This guide will show you how to transfer funds from your Earn Wallet to your Spot Wallet in Binance. Let's dive right in. Launch your Binance app. From the home screen, tap Wallet at the bottom right. This will take you to an overview where you can see options like Spot, Funding, and more. Scroll to find the Earn section and tap on it. Here, you'll see tabs for Assets and Products. In Assets, you can view available holdings such as USDT or other assets you've stored in your Earn Wallet. Tap on any asset to see more details about it, including real-time APR, yesterday's rewards, and other earnings information. To transfer funds to your Spot Wallet, tap on the Redeem button. You will be prompted to enter the redemption amount. Type in the amount you want to transfer. Ensure that Spot Wallet is selected as the transfer destination. You may also see an option for Funding Wallet, so double-check the setting. Once confirmed, click Redeem. Your funds will be transferred from your Earn Wallet to your Spot Wallet in Binance. And that's it. You've successfully transferred funds from Earn Wallet to Spot Wallet in a few simple steps.